Good morning. I hope you're all doing well and safe. And welcome to the first episode of Monday Mind Season 3. And I hope you all know that this season is about stories. So, without wasting time, let me get started with the narration. There was a kid who was very mature at his age. He was very smart and he was very curious headed. Once he goes to his father and asks, Daddy, I want to know what is the value of life. So father was really astonished. The father replies, All right, son, I'll tell you what is the value of life, but before that, I have a work for you. So he opens the cupboard and he hands over a stone to that little boy and he says, Tomorrow morning, I want you to go to the marketplace and I want you to display this stone and without selling it, I want you to know the cost of this stone. If somebody approaches to you and asks what is the value of this stone, I do not want you to utter a single word. Instead, I want you to raise two fingers to them and let them decide what is the value of that stone. And without selling that, I want you to come back home and let me know what is the value of that stone. So the son was really obedient. Next day, he wakes up early and goes to the marketplace. He will be standing there where a old lady approaches to this small little kid and asks, what is the cost of this stone? I really loved it. So the boy does not utter a single word. Instead, he raises his two fingers. So the old lady decides herself and she asks the boy if the cost of this stone is $200. Then the boy just nods and runs back to the home and he goes to his father directly and says, Father, I got to know what is the value of this stone. It is just $200. So the father says, Wait, son, let's not decide the value of it early. So what I want you to do is that tomorrow again, I want you to go to a museum and I want again you to go and approach to the manager of that museum and show this stone, and all I want you to do is that raise your two fingers. So next day again this little boy goes to the museum and he goes to the manager and he shows that stone, and the manager asks him what is the cost of this stone, and the boy just raises two fingers again and the manager says, Oh, I got it. The cost of this stone is $2,000. So the boy gets to know the value of this stone is $2,000. Without saying a word, he takes the stone with him and he runs back to his father and he says everything that had happened over there, and the father says, all right, that's a great move, and tomorrow I want you to go to a stone maker and again show this stone to that person and raise two fingers to it, and after that you let me know what is the value of that stone. So again next day the small little kid goes to the stone maker and he shows him the stone. Immediately when he shows the stone to that stone maker, the stone maker says, Oh my God, I was looking out for this stone from quite a long time. Thank you so much for coming over here. And how much are you willing to sell this for? The boy just raises again two fingers and the stone maker says, all right, I'll pay you $200,000. And the boy was really shocked. He runs back to his father again breathlessly and he says, Father, that person is willing to buy this stone for $200,000. Then father pats his back and says, Yes, son, now do you know what is the value of this stone? First day you went to the marketplace and the stone was valued just $200, while today it was $200,000. Same ways is your life, value of your life. It depends upon where you place yourself. There are people who really loves you and you are everything to those people, while there are certain people who use you just as a commodity. So it depends upon where you place yourself, that will be the value of your life. Meanwhile, let me connect this situation into this present crisis that's happening everywhere around. So we all know that there is this crisis that's happening and people are literally dying every single day. But at this point of time, what I want to say is that please close your eyes for a minute and think for yourself. You know, you have got this one life, and place this above everything. Instead of getting scared about what is happening, please be strong and value the life that you have got. And the minute you lose the hope, the minute you get scared, your immunity level definitely goes down. And when the immunity level goes down, you know, it's very difficult for you to survive. So please do not get scared. Even if you get scared, think about your life once, the value that it has got, and please do fight back so that you can actually survive and get better every single day. I hope this episode was really helpful for you in every single way, and I keep coming up with new stories, or might be the old stories with a new perspective. So kindly be safe, stay home, and be strong. Take care.